Welcome to Training. This video is focusing on one of the most important forklift safety rules, which says do not drive with an elevated load. I repeat, do not drive with an elevated load. Why? Just continue watching this video and you will know.
Here, an operator is taking a load from one elevated point to another. It's only a short journey, and there are a lot more loads to go. Why bother lowering the forks? It's quicker this way. Why? Because an elevated load raises the center of gravity on a truck. And a higher center of gravity makes the truck much less stable, especially when turning.
Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel.